Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Trayman 1993 here. Today we're going to be doing a model railroad review update here. And I just want to show you guys what projects I'm going to do probably and hopefully. This Lionel steamer right here, the C&O 8142, is gonna get some work done here because it's been seizing up a bit. Seizing up, what I mean. So hopefully we'll get some work done, and just gotta fix the little bottom part right there. I don't know if you could see it right there. The little claw thingy right on the bottom of the smoke unit. That needs to be adjusted a bit so I can get that to run again, hopefully. And I'm gonna be working on this little Athearn band drive EMD F7 in the Pennsylvania paint scheme. I got this for free at the Andrews Shopping Center in Howland, Ohio. Here. It's gonna need some new bands. I already ordered some new bands. But it's a nice little engine, as you can see. And it's gonna need some couplers to it. I'm gonna put some of the horn hook couplers on there. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my little update here on the Trayman 1993 channel. Hope you guys enjoy this vid. Hope you guys take care and have a nice one. And also have a nice week. This is Trayman saying over and out.